If you want to earn PayPal money, then you're watching the right video because all you have to do is just pay attention to every second of this video, follow the steps that I'm going to show you, and this will definitely work for you. This is all thanks to the freedom of making money online methods. I hope this video inspires you guys to work harder and be hopeful for the future. But first, before we get into it, I'd like to welcome you to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online. We post videos every single day and we make sure that all of those videos have methods that actually work. That requires a lot of effort from us, so guys, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. And also leave us a thumbs up, a comment down below. It's free and that helps us so much. And now let's get into the video. Alright, so the best way that I'm going to teach you this method is to help you see this step by step. We always go through methods step by step to make it easier for the viewer. So the first step of this video is to go to this website called SocialPilot.co. SocialPilot is the most cost-effective marketing tool. This is a social media management tool. It will help you grow and manage your social media accounts automatically. You might be wondering right now, do I need a social media account? No, you do not. The good news is you don't have to invest money for this method and you don't need to have a social media account at all. So how is this method gonna work? With this video, I'll be teaching you one simple step where you can make money online and make hundreds of dollars online for absolutely free. And you can connect as many social media accounts as you can. Post all of your updates without even worrying about running out of limits. Go beyond the popular social networks to increase engagement and lead with #1 social media scheduling and publishing tool. More accounts plus more posts equals better value for money. They also have a powerful social media analytics and white label PDF reports. With one click, make data-driven decisions to improve engagement and fine-tune your social media strategy. Download and share beautiful and presentable social media reports in PDF. With just one click, people can engage efficiently with Social Inbox, being a trusted social media engagement tool. Reply to all of your comments, messages, and posts on multiple Facebook pages in real time with SocialPilot. And they have so many more features. They can collaborate with the teams and manage clients and discover and publish popular content with curated content, bulk upload, and so much more. So they are a full social media account agency. You can build a business around SocialPilot. You can look for different clients who need their social media accounts to be managed, and you will be able to do that by using this website. This is called drop servicing. But that's not what we're going to be doing for this method. It is a bit harder to do drop servicing because you'll have to find customers, and that's a tiring process. But this method that I'm going to show you today is much easier and it will make you a lot more money. We will not be focusing on the drop servicing business model for this tutorial. We will be doing something else. And what I want you to do is scroll to the bottom of this website, and right underneath the company section, I want you to select an affiliate program. I will be showing you how you can set this affiliate program on autopilot with an additional fee platform. I will show you how you can use this affiliate program on autopilot with an additional free platform, which is going to get you a lot of referral earnings, and you can earn up to 30% recurrent commission for SocialPilot subscription sales. And if you go to their subscription plans, you can see that you can earn over $1,000 per year, because this is $127 per month, but this is an annual billing, so if you multiply that by 12, that's over $1,000, and you can earn 30% of that from one customer. So that means you have over $400 in profit for just a single person you refer to this platform. And this is so worth it because they can get up to 75 social media accounts, and that could be very profitable for them because they'll be investing only $127 per month and they get all these benefits. And those people can have clients which could pay them thousands of dollars per social media account, and that's a lot of money, trust me. So even if you're doing nothing, you can earn passive income, especially if you have a lot of people that you referred. And I will show you how you can reach hundreds, if not thousands of people who can actually sign up using your affiliate link and would be interested in what you're offering. Now, one thing I also love about that affiliate program is that you are going to get paid via PayPal. And I know a lot of you guys love PayPal as much as I do. Now once you land on the SocialPilot affiliate page, just click on this Get Started button right here, and all you have to do is fill out your information. Type in your first name, your last name, your email address, and create a password. And finally, agree to the terms of service for the SocialPilot website and click sign up. If you're done with all of that, you will then land on this page right here. This is your dashboard on the SocialPilot website. This is where you will get your affiliate link, and this is where you can start making money online. You don't have to wait to get approved or whatsoever. You just have to copy this link right here and then share it on the internet. So whoever clicks on your link will be redirected to socialpilot.co, and if they sign up, you will automatically get 30% of the plan that they choose. In here, you can track your referrals, clicks, customers, and unpaid earnings. It's going to be 0 for now because we have just created this account for the tutorial, but if you already have customers, then the numbers will increase. So I need you to follow every step of the video so that you get a lot of referrals and you can earn 30% for each referral monthly. And all we need to do right now is to drive traffic to the referral link that we made. So you can earn hundreds of dollars per person that you refer. So right here is the website which we will be using as a tool to drive traffic to your special referral link. As you can see, the people here are offering social media management as a service. So they charge different rates per person or client, and they charge at least $20, and others charge over $100. So these people make a lot of money by being a social media manager. So our target is freelancing websites with freelancers who offer social media management. And you can find a lot of freelancers on websites like this. This is quickandgigs.com. You can also go to fiverr.com, peopleperhour.com, freelancer.com, and so much more freelancing websites. You can go to Google and search for those, and you'll find plenty that you can choose from. So let me be straight, we are not going to become freelancers, but we are going to refer SocialPilot to these freelancers so that we can help them with their job that they're doing already. So on the internet, there are a lot of people available online, which means that there are a lot of opportunities for you to earn money by referring them. And all you have to do is convince them to use a social media platform, which is socialpilot.co, so that their job will become easier and they won't have any problems at all. So what you're going to do right now is go ahead and copy your special affiliate link and contact these people. And tell them something like, hey, you know, this platform offers different plans and it can definitely help you manage all of the customers that you have. It's a very good social media management platform. And as someone who works online too, this is very helpful for them. And this can help you save time. You can say something else. This is just an idea of what you can tell them, and back it up with a nice looking message and tell them that you can refer them to that platform, which is socialpilot.co. So again, you can go over to those freelancing websites. You're not going to become a freelancer. You don't need any experience. And this method is really easy. You search for social media management, find freelancers, and contact them with their given contact information. And tell them that you can actually help them with this website called socialpilot.co. You can also add in that if they have any questions about the website, they can just contact you via email, or just provide your email to them and let them contact you. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to our channel because we really need your help, and so that you can be also updated on new content on our channel, which is every single day. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And as always, I'll see you all for a new video tomorrow. Take